I'm gonna prove to you in this video why he is thinking about you as well when you are thinking about him, and why thought transmission is real and a very powerful example that literally happened in my own life yesterday. Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber, coach, and course creator. Before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. Another thing that I would like to say is you are more than welcome to enroll in my two courses, Manifest Your SP or the Perfect Self-Concept course. Have a look around and see which one resonates for you the most. The Perfect Self-Concept course, you can literally apply it to anything and you can manifest instantly after finishing that course. Manifest Your SP is if you want to manifest an SP in your life, no matter if it's a celebrity, someone you know, someone that you have been in a relationship with for 10 years and you want the next step. Whatever the circumstance is, this course is for you. Also, you can book one-on-one coaching with me where we talk, just you and me, about your personal situation, and I can give you a manifestation routine and some extra guidance on what to do about your situation. You can also join a collective coaching where there is about 100+ hours of exclusive Rita Kaminski content with so many hidden gems and nuggets throughout. So you can just click on the join button. You can ask me any question and I will reply via video for you. And everyone's friends over there, and it's such a nice community and family. So I would love for you to join us there. Just click on the join button right next to my name. For my courses and one-on-one coaching, you can go on ritakaminski.com and book everything there, or you can simply click on any of the links in the description box down below or in the pinned comments for all of the services that I offer. Finally, I intend for this video to change your absolute life for the best, and with that being said, let's get into it. So about 2 weeks ago, I started getting these, what felt like attacks, because it didn't feel like I was thinking them and the thoughts were thinking me, about this person that I literally haven't seen since I was 14 years old. I kept on replaying in my mind a specific day where him and I went to the beach with my family. This was just a close friend at the age of 14, and nothing happened before or after that point to make me even think about him, because it was just so long ago. But I started playing that vision of him and I, my parents at the beach, and it was just going on for almost the entire day. Again, it felt like I was not thinking the thoughts were thinking me. It came out of nowhere. I was not looking at anything to remind me of him or his name or anything to do with that person or that memory at all. It didn't feel like a negative thought. I didn't feel like crap. It was just like, where is this coming from? And it feels like you're watching a movie, right? And the information is coming out at you and you're the one that's watching it. That's how thought transmission feels, when it doesn't feel like you're actively thinking, like, what am I going to eat today? It's as if the thoughts are playing like a movie in your mind, and not necessarily in a visualization type of way where I saw the scene. As you guys know, I'm a very visual person, but it could be thoughts, because I've had this with someone else like 3 years ago, and it was just like thoughts constantly about this person, right? So going back, let's call him Chuck. Chuck decides to message me on Instagram out of nowhere, and he literally says, for some reason, the thought of you and I and your parents at the beach was playing in my mind, and I decided to text you just to see how I'm going and say like, hey, I'm super proud of how far you've come. All of that to say, it may have been me manifesting him on accident. It may have been him manifesting me, and then I saw those images in my mind, and then he saw them again and he decided to text me. Doesn't matter, but the point is that if you are having thoughts about someone or about something like an idea, and it feels like it's a movie playing in your mind and you're not like intentionally thinking about it, that is thought transmission. That thing, if it's a person, that person is thinking at you at that exact moment as well, or within that time frame. If it is an idea, that means the collective is also thinking the same thing. For example, I get at least one, sometimes it's two, and sometimes literally 50 plus of y'all will like the same comment of someone saying, I literally was thinking about this exact topic and I wanted you to film it and you filmed it. And everyone's saying, how the hell do you do this? You're beginning to freak me the fuck out, because it's collective consciousness. Because an idea chooses certain people either in the form of a question or an answer. That's why certain YouTubers become popular, because they have the answer to a question that's going on in the collective's minds, right? They are more receptive to that higher self information. They're able to help others. The point is, thought transmission is real. If you were ever doubting it, I want you to stop it right now and be confident in the fact that this person that you are manifesting, that you can't get out of your head, is also thinking about you as well. And I don't want that to satisfy you in a way where you're gonna stop and relax. I want this to be support for you and emotional relief, but at the same time, I want you to keep going. This is me being a cheerleader on the sideline of your life, but you're running the marathon. So continue to affirm in your favor, continue to affirm that you are with this SP in any way or capacity that you would like. And I just want you to know that you've got this and it's working. Especially if you are constantly thinking about this specific person, it is working. So always come back to this video when you're questioning, am I on the right path or not? Because you are. Again, if you resonate with my Manifest Your SP course, I talk about things like this in great detail, something that a nature of a 10-minute YouTube video simply cannot all cover. So that will be in the description box down below, or ritakaminski.com. I would absolutely love to have you there. There are 90-minute videos per module. I love you all so much. I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye everyone.